Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the model of your ThinkPad X13s laptop. So one place where you can check the model of your laptop is the pre-installed application, which is Lenovo Vantage, and it should be almost definitely pre-installed on your laptop, since we cannot get at least natively the stock Windows image for this device. We need to use the Lenovo custom image that we get from Lenovo support through this specific application. And here we have it right in the dock with other applications. And if you don't have it here, you can search for it and find Lenovo Vantage. In my case, it's Lenovo Commercial Vantage. Now, if you still cannot find it on your computer, you can also download and install it either from the Microsoft Store or from the Lenovo official website. And here you'll be able to check your device's model, which in my case is ThinkPad X13s Generation 1. Now, the other way to check your device's model name is to check the back side of it. And unfortunately, my camera's focus isn't set on auto right now, and I don't want to really want to change it. So basically, here you will see the embedded info about your devices, about your laptop, basically. So here I have set ThinkPad X13s Generation 1, and that's the model name of this device. We also get the sticker with the serial number and the type number, which we can use on the official Lenovo support website to double check our device model. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.